Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to make tiles into 6H. Okay, simple. You just come to tiles. Okay, double click on the noted. Double click on the wall. Okay, so let's say I drag one tiles from here. Okay, drag one tiles from here. This is the rectangle. Okay, so if I want to make this one is 4H lah. Okay, if I want to make it 6H, simple, just click here. Okay, click here and you come to this one, or regular polygon. Okay, click on it. You can change it lah, or like this one is 6H, right? If I don't want, I want 8, then I press 8. Okay, you see it become 8H. Okay, so after that, if you don't want, you're going to turn back, then click it again, or click it again, you will become 6H again. Okay, 6H. Okay, size you can change here. Let's say I want like 300. Oh, amazing. 150, enter. Okay. So if you want to pave it, just press F, or it will automatically pave the area lah. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.